Hi, this video demonstrates that the joystick buttons are not working. The joystick is here. You can see the buttons through 7 to 12, and if I press them on here, they light the accompanying numbers on the screen. So 7 works, 8 works, 9, 10, 11, so this is 11, 12. So those buttons work. However, all of these buttons up here, there's quite a dark, but you can't quite tell, but there's button 3 here, button 5, button 4, and button 6. None of those work, so if I press them, the corresponding lights do not appear on the control panel. 5 doesn't work, 6 doesn't work, you see, 4 doesn't work, and also there's a button, the key trigger button here, which is this one. This is the button number 1, so if I press that, you can see I'm pressing it, the corresponding light doesn't appear. So number 1, the main trigger doesn't work. Just to demonstrate, all the other buttons work at the bottom here, so you can see the control panel is working. The POV 1, which is the one up here, this one, doesn't work. If I press the POV buttons, none of the red lights at the top, they don't trigger. That's the comparison. I've got the throttle has a POV2 throttle here. So these buttons, they work. So if I press them, the red arrows, can you see on the screen change? So the control panel is working, joystick isn't. The POV2 works, POV1, which is the main POV, doesn't work. The other problem with it is the twist on the main joystick. So when you twist the joystick like this, it should gradually increase and decrease the things. Okay, so if I press rotate it to left, it goes from nothing to maximum immediately. It doesn't gradually do anything. Can you see? Can I see? The same. The right is going up erratically. Also, if you press forward, just forward, the joystick, the twist also triggers sometimes. So pressing it forward also twists. For some reason, the twist axis is triggered to the left. So it's, even if I'm not twisting it, it's saying I am. So obviously it's the same as you're trying to fly a plane. Somebody just turns left during flights. It's impossible to use. So thank you. That's the issue with the joystick that I have. Thank you.